Hey, this is George from Car Clinic, and if you've ever wondered what a motor mount does when it's broken, we're going to take a look at this engine. It's got broken motor mounts. Watch what happens when you put it in gear. All right. Okay, so you see that? Your engine bounces and moves up and down, and it can cause damage. If you look at this shroud right here, that was done by the fan moving up and hitting the shroud. So motor mounts are very important. When they're going bad, when your mechanic recommends that you need them, you can see why, and it can do a lot of damage for you. Hit like. Thanks. Talk to you soon.